Welcome to Wolfnest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Renting a home often comes with limitations on how much you can alter the space. However, that doesn't mean you can't make your rental feel like home. With a bit of creativity and some budget-friendly DIY decor ideas, you can transform your rental without making permanent changes. Here are some affordable decorating tips to personalize your space. Number 1. Temporary wallpaper. Temporary wallpaper is a fantastic way to add color and pattern to your walls without committing to a permanent change. These peel-and-stick wallpapers come in a variety of designs and can be easily removed when you move out. They're perfect for accent walls or even for updating furniture pieces. Number 2. Area rugs. Area rugs can define spaces and add warmth to any room. They are an excellent solution for covering up less than ideal flooring and can easily be taken with you when you move. Choose rugs that complement your decor and bring a cozy feel to your living areas. Number 3. Command hooks and strips. Use command hooks and strips to hang artwork, photos, and decorative items without damaging the walls. They come in various sizes and strengths, making them perfect for everything from lightweight frames to heavier wall hangings. This way, you can personalize your walls without leaving holes behind. Number 4. Furniture makeovers. Give your furniture a new look with some DIY makeovers. Paint old chairs, tables, or dressers to match your style. Use removable fabric or contact paper to update the surfaces of desks or cabinets. These simple changes can make your furniture feel brand new without spending a lot of money. Number 5. Lighting enhancements. Swap out standard light fixtures or lampshades with more stylish options that suit your taste. You can also add string lights or LED strips to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Lighting can significantly impact the mood of a room and is an easy way to personalize your space. Number 6. Removable backsplashes. For kitchens and bathrooms, consider using removable backsplashes. These peel-and-stick tiles can mimic the look of real tile and add a sophisticated touch to your rental. They are easy to install and remove, making them a renter-friendly option for updating these spaces. Number 7. Indoor plants. Introduce indoor plants to your home for a touch of nature. Plants not only add color and life to a space, but also improve air quality. Choose low-maintenance varieties like succulents, snake plants, or pothos if you're new to plant care. Number 8. Creative storage solutions. Maximize your space with creative storage solutions. Use baskets, floating shelves, and underbed storage to keep your home organized and clutter-free. Stylish storage options can also serve as decorative elements, enhancing the overall look of your home. Number 9. DIY art and crafts. Create your own artwork and crafts to display around your home. This can be a fun and cost-effective way to add personality to your space. Frame your drawings, paintings, or even fabric swatches to create unique wall art. Number 10. Textile updates. Switching out textiles like curtains, throw pillows, and blankets can make a big impact. Choose colors and patterns that reflect your style and change them seasonally to keep your decor fresh. These items are easy to store and transport, making them ideal for renters. Decorating a rental home on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style. With DIY home decor ideas, you can create a comfortable and personalized space that feels like home with smart temporary changes. At Wolfnest Property Management, we understand the importance of making your rental feel like home and are dedicated to providing excellent property management services in Utah, ensuring both landlords and tenants have a positive rental experience. Ready to transform your rental property with biophilic design? Contact Wolfnest Property Management today to discover how we can help you implement these innovative strategies and elevate your Utah rental properties to new heights.